You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these. Name, once and for all, correctly. This is a brand of stoves, essentially kitchen stoves, I believe. This might be also a name of different origin. So the Italian pronunciation is Ilve, Ilve. Therefore in English it's generally pronounced as Ilve, Ilve. If it was German or maybe Nordic, it would be Ilve. But in Italian, Ilve. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.